how to remove domain redirects in cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Now look for the Domains section. Click Redirects under the Domains section. Now you will land on the Domain Redirects page. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will see all the domains redirected to other domains in cpanel. Each redirect will be listed clearly with its destination link. To remove redirecting a domain, click the Delete option associated with the domain redirect. Click Remove Redirect button to confirm removing the domain redirection. And done removing the domain redirect in cpanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.